That's crispy pan-seared salmon with a Bearnaise sauce. The Bearnaise sauce goes really well with the vegetables too. Pan-seared salmon with a Bearnaise sauce. A Bearnaise sauce is just like a fancy hollandaise sauce. It's got some herbs in it and a little bit different. I've got 1 pound of really nice fresh salmon, and I'm going to put 4 slits in the top of it, about 3/4 of an inch deep. Okay, I've got 4 slits in there. I'm just going to put some salt into the slits like this. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of avocado oil into this preheated medium heat pan, and I'm going to go skin side down for this pan sear. And we're just going to make this nice and crispy. Okay, that looks like it's searing up nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt on the other side, and I'm going to flip it. That looks good. Look at how crispy that skin is. So I don't want to go too long. The first side was probably about 1.5 to 2 minutes. It's kind of thick on this side, so I had to cook it a little bit more. And I'm probably going to go for another 45 seconds here. Okay, I'm going to take it out now and just set this off to the side. And now what I'm going to do is turn this down just a little bit. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter in. And I'm going to put in a tablespoon of onion. This Bearnaise sauce is really good on vegetables and steak. Okay, this is sauteed nicely. Now I'm going to remove it from the heat for a minute. And now what I'm going to do is put in 2 tablespoons of white wine. Traditionally it calls for a white wine vinegar, but I prefer the Chardonnay in there. And I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of tarragon and some fresh pepper and some salt. And we're going to whisk this, and we're going to throw an egg yolk in. That's why we cooled it down, because we don't want to make scrambled eggs out of this. This will happen pretty fast. It smells really good. I'm going to put some lemon juice in, a little squirt, 1/2 teaspoon or so. I keep on stirring. You can take it off the heat if you need to stir like this. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, real whipping cream. Okay, that looks about right for me. I'm going to taste it for salt and pepper. Oh, that's really good with the tarragon. That's going to be good with that salmon. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper on at the very end. So I'm going to plate this up now. Okay, so to plate this, I'm going to put some sauce on the bottom, like this. And I'm going to put the fish on top. And I'm going to add in some nice green beans and some almonds, like this. So I'm going to just plate this up, show you what it looks like. That's pan-seared salmon with a Bearnaise sauce. Doesn't that look delicious? Thanks for watching.